Hello everyone, my name is Jure. In this short tutorial I will show you how to create mix and match bundles on your Shopify store. Before we start with the tutorial, if for some reason you prefer reading more than watching, there's also a written version of this short tutorial on neatmerchant.com website. The link will be down in the description, so you can read if you prefer that instead of watching. So for this tutorial we will use Neat Bundles app to add mix and match bundles to our store. As you can see, this app has this nice builder which will allow our customers to create bundles. And there are also other apps that allow you to do this, but I found this one personally to be the most affordable one, while still offering pretty much all the features that other ones have. There are some features missing, but if they are crucial to you, then it makes sense to go with the other apps because they're more expensive. But if they're not crucial to you, like subscriptions, it makes sense to go with this app, in my opinion. There's also a 30-day free trial, which is very much enough for you to start getting few sales. Then you can decide whether this app is not enough for you, or if it's okay, then you can just continue. So without further ado, let's get started. You need to install the app first, like with every other app. If you press install, then you need to, I think, authorize the app. Okay, and so the app is installed on our store. Then we need to activate the app. So we need to connect it to our team. As you can see, there's a tutorial here. You can just press activate. And then make sure this button is black, so it shouldn't be gray, it should be black. Then press save. As you can see, I already saved because I already installed this app previously on this store, but if you didn't, you just need to press save. Then close down that window, and then it will show you that whether or not this theme is compatible with this app. All the new Shopify 2.0 theme, so that's basically Dawn theme and all other themes that came out when the Dawn came out, all of them should be compatible with this app. Okay, press finish, and if everything is successful, the app should be enabled. So let's start creating our first mix and match bundle. Before we do that, I want you to have a broad idea on what kind of bundle you're going to create. As you can see here, each bundle will have certain steps, and on all steps, customers will be able to select the different products. That's why it's called mix and match. You need to have some kind of idea like which products you're gonna show, and all of these products need to complement themselves in some way. So if, for example, on the first step, you, let a customer select a pair of pants, usually it doesn't make sense for them to select another pair of pants on the second step. But in some cases, it can make sense. For example, let's say you have a bundle where you want them to select one pair of pants for them and other pair of pants for their significant other. In that case, in that kind of bundle, it could make sense for two steps to be pretty much identical. So you need to have an idea on what kind of bundle you are building. But for this tutorial, I'll be building a bundle called Snowboard for Him and Her. So basically it will be a bundle that will have two steps. One step where the customer will be able to choose a snowboard for a man, and another step where the customer will be able to choose a snowboard for a woman. So those two steps will make up my bundle, and I'll give customers discount if they buy two snowboards using the builder on my store. It will be clearer when I do it. So to do it, we go create a bundle. Then the title of the bundle will be, as I said, Snowboard. This is good. Click next. The bundle is being created. Then I'm asked if I want to do multiple steps in a bundle or one step. As you can see, these are the steps the app is referring to. I want to do multiple steps. As I said, I need to have two steps. The first step will be snowboard for him, and here I'll be pretty old-fashioned. I'll choose all the blue snowboards because blue is supposed to be a men's color. I don't know, and I'll allow customers to select only one snowboard for this step because my idea is that they will choose one snowboard on this step and one on the other step. I click next. Second step can also be a product step, or it can be a content step. So the product step was the last step that we just did. So that's basically a step where a customer can select a product. These are product steps. But there are also content steps, which you can see in this image, where a customer can enter their own content. For example, I don't know, you can, for example, have a label here saying what's your name, and the customer could enter their name, and then you can send them a gift card in their order, for example. Or the customer can also, you can, for example, request for an image and then use that image on, like, I don't know, as a cover image of the box in which you are gonna send the items to them. Either way, for my second step, since I'll be also requiring customers to select a snowboard, I will go with the product step. Click next. Since this is a step where they choose a snowboard for her, I will go with snowboard for her. And in terms of products, I'm also gonna be old-fashioned. I'm gonna select all the snowboards that have girly colors in them. These ones should be okay. And the conditions are gonna be the same. One product chosen on this step. Then I click next. In terms of the discount, I'm gonna go with 20% because snowboards are a little expensive. So if I want people to buy 2 of them instead of just 1, I need to give them a good incentive, and 20% seems like a good incentive to me. Let's go next. And that's it. The bundle is created. You can see it live on our store. As you can see, it's taken a moment to load. As you can see, snowboard for him, snowboard for her. And on this step, we choose a snowboard that we wanna gift to him or buy for him, whoever he may be. Let's say we wanna choose this one, or I don't know, let's say we change our mind, we're gonna choose read the product. So this product doesn't have any description, but if it did, description would show in here. So let's choose this one. As you can see our discount here, which was 20%, I think. We can go next. If for example we remove this step, we cannot proceed. So we need to select between one product. So let's select the first one, and then let's select the snowboard for her, also whoever her may be. Let's select this stereotypical kinda pink one. Let's go finish. And that's it. We just created our own Big Sandwich bundle. This is the process that your customers will go through when they create their bundle. And if, for example, they go to checkout, they will see that they have one snowboard that they selected the first step, and the second snowboard that they selected on the second step. This is the price of the bundle. The discount has already been counted in, and that's pretty much it. One more thing you can do. So if you go back here, as you can see, this bundle builder, that's how this is called. It goes well with this store because I'm using a default Dawn theme here. But for example, if you were using some other colors in your store, you will probably need to change some colors to make this builder fit better with your store. You can also do that in the settings. So you need to go back here and go under global settings. There you need to click edit colors. You can edit some other settings down here, but we'll just focus on colors for now. As you can see, this is a preview bundle. And let's say I'm gonna change this color here. So step number and title, let's say that's okay. Step description, that's also okay. Product settings, that's what I need. Add the bundle text. Okay, add the bundle text. That's this text here. I'm gonna change it to, so text is gonna still be white, but I'm gonna change the color to, let's change this color, why not? And as you can see, it changed. I'm also gonna change it when I think about these things here. So that's step number and step title text. So this is the number itself, right? And the text can keep the text can stay black. That should be good for me. I click save. And if I were to close this and go back to this bundle page, which I was using earlier, as you can see, all the colors are changed, and I can still continue with the same process I did before. If I go back to this page, I can see my bundle that have just been created. If I go to edit, I can edit these individual steps that I added. I can copy the link. This is the link of the page. So if I were to copy this link here, I would be redirected to the page. This is the link which you can, for example, add in your navigation here, or you can add it in a banner on a home page. Pretty much whatever your customers would be looking for an option to build their bundles. Also, you can, for for example, create an Instagram post saying that you have a new feature where customers can build their bundles, and pop this link in the description of the post. So that was pretty much it. All the links will be in the description, and I wish you the best of luck with bundles.